The River Swift is a 14-mile-long tributary of the River Avon that rises in South Leicestershire, and flows through the town of Lutterworth before joining the Avon at its confluence in Warwickshire in the English Midlands. Course. The source of the river is a stream that rises near to Brattingthorpe Aerodrome in Leicestershire, on the watershed division between the Avon and Soar catchments. The Swift passes the village of Walton and then Kimcote, where it meets a number of small streams that drain the headwaters of the catchment. The river continues in a southwesterly direction, passing to the north of Walcote, then through the Misterton Marshes, site of special scientific interest, before reaching the M1 motorway bridge and the town of Lutterworth. The river passes to the south of the town, where it is crossed by the Rugby Road, near to the site of the lost St. John's the Baptist Hospital. After passing beneath the Lutterworth bypass, the Swift continues southwest until it reaches the Bransford Bridge crossing of the A5. This road follows the course of Watling Street, the Roman road that linked London to Wroxeter. Downstream of the bridge, the river passes the site of the deserted medieval village of Stassover, and then the modern village of Churchover. At this point, a canal feeder takes water from the river to supply the nearby canal. After passing beneath the M6 motorway, the river then flows directly south through the Swift Valley Nature Reserve, passes Brownsover Hall and then through the Swift Industrial Park. It is crossed by the Oxford Canal in an aqueduct, and then passes through a retail park to join the River Avon, between Brownsover and Rugby catchment. The Swift catchment lies between that of the Avon and Welland to the east, the River Soar to the west, and the River Soar and its tributaries to the north. It covers an area of 80 square kilometers. In terms of geology of the catchment is underlain primarily by lice clay and mudstones, with an overlying layer of glacially deposited till, sands and gravels. This impermeable clay means that the Swift can become responsive in terms of runoff to heavy rainfall events. Flooding. The Swift has a minor history of flooding along its course, especially in Lutterworth, flood events being recorded in 1875, 1931 and most recently in 2008. A flood warning and alert service exists for the catchment, in conjunction with that for the Upper Avon and the Claycoton Brook. In February 2012, a mother and her 3 children had to be rescued from the car when it was swept downstream from the ford between Churchover and Harborough Magna, after it had broken down in the floodwaters whilst crossing the river.